3.5 square self-feeding mixer truck. A mixer truck that can feed itself, multiple discharge ports, easy unloading, flexible transportation, household small concrete mixing plant. It is also suitable for yard construction, integration of concrete mixing and transportation. The price is not expensive and it worked really well. I'm talking about this flat mouth mixer truck. The fastest speed can reach 80 kilometers per hour. Stirring power is derived from a more stable hydraulic system. Dry ingredients can be stirred. You can also stir wet ingredients